Okay, batsi na kami. OTW to Alaminos City. Para sa JS prom ng Colegio de San Jose. Let's go, let's go. Ingress na kami dito sa Dolce Poldo. Naka-start lang din ng decor nila Boss Mark. Nag-practice pa yung mga magano cocotillion later. Seryoso ah. Nakakagat labi pa. Talagang nilalabas mo yung deep pala. Ayun oh. Utang ng transition. Loading kami ng kagamitan ngayon dito. Dala pa rin natin yung dala natin kagabi. Dagdag lang kami ng ilang mga ilaw. Trase, poste. Atomic na 8. Tsaka walong tawag dito, tuna. 290. Dala natin. 4 na audio center sa top. 4 na sub 1,000.
A few moments later.
Alas 11 na guys. Hindi na naman. Ito pa lang kami. Simple na ako sa kabila.
Sagabal guys.
Sagabal kasi ang dami. Work in progress. Okay na. Tapos ko na yung speaker ko. Magkabilaan. Yung na yung trusses na pinagagawa nila dito sa trusses nila rito. Pero tapos na ni Jeffrey sa kabila. Ayan o. Katindi si Jeffrey.
1 hour later.
Alright, all set na yung sounds ko. Sound check na rin ako. Trusses na lang din. Okay na to. Paano muna kami? Kain muna kami. Tara. Hanap kami na mga kainan. Kain kami sa food court. Kasi 12:32 na. Hindi pa sila natatapos sa kanilang ilaw. Ako tapos na ako sa sounds ko. Kapag sound check na rin ako. Let's go, kahit muna bago tuloy ang trabaho. Catholic school yung mag-DJS ngayon. Yan o, Colegio de San Jose de Alaminos, San Jose.
More moments later.
Medyo nakakalahatin na rin yung ano. Kami, dapat na kami ng mga beam. Alright. Programming na kami ng lightings. Diba? Tapos na rin dito yung ano. Yung ating ito. All set na kami. Waiting na lang yung styling matapos. Tapos okay na. Tunnel malapit na rin matapos. Kapag-program na din ako. Tayo muna. Start na mga tol. Simple na sila. Kaya naman ganun karami itong Mercedes man natin ngayon. Ayan. Private school, Catholic school. Siyempre, dala pa rin natin.
Us to be grateful of the gifts bestowed upon us and return them to your people with kindness and love. We ask this through your Son, Jesus Christ.
Them a warm round of applause for the beautiful and symbolic ceremony.
Every plan that we have made, every project, and every effort, leading you was not exactly about recognition or for fame. It was all about making a difference, even in small ways. And tonight, as I pass on my leadership to the next set of officers, I do so with hope and confidence that you may lead with courage, compassion, and integrity.
As you become mature people in society, in the church, in your families, and in your communities, it is our wish and prayer that you will grow more. But my prayer is this, that you will be more close to God, always. To be closer to God means to always listen to His Word, to always be obedient to His longings and dreams for us, His children. This is my prayer for each and every one of you. As I look at you now, I look at young people.
Sa kayo
moments later.
Awarding na ng ano, from Queen and Prince and Princess para.
Basic Education Department Principal, Ms. Lina Buaga.
Kumusta closing remarks?
Before we officially conclude our program, let us once again bow our heads and offer our gratitude to the Lord for guiding us through this meaningful celebration. To lead us in the closing prayer, may we invite Alessia Jane Bergonia, a grade 10 student.
A few moments later.
Check, pack up na kami. Tatlo lang kami pero kayang-kaya namin to ng ilang oras lang. O baka wala pang isang oras to. Sigalos ko kasi may susunod pa rito.